The network is everything. Everything rides on the network, whether it be voice, wireless, data. Our security system rides on the network. Everything's on the network, so the network has to work, and it has to work now, and it has to work all the time. My current relationship with ComSource means the world to me. It's very flexible. We didn't get handed a cookie-cutter solution.
We're known in the industry as VARs, or value-added resellers, right? So the value is a critical part of what we do for Guilderland, but also other school districts. And being a trusted partner isn't something that comes overnight, or you sit down with somebody and become that. It's earned over time.
So I think ComSource is unique because we actually take the time and work with the customers in depth to get a really good overview on what they want.
As we started mapping out this plan, the team, the network, the district, all the parties came down to this great meeting in the room. Okay, what can we do? How can we network all these systems together and benefit both the staff and the community, but most important, protect our students? It was a great meeting, and out of that came this solution where events now happen, notifications are sent, the police are notified, and people come together to protect and develop this wonderful environment of safety and security for our students. We're not bound by manufacturer, we're bound by the customer's needs. That's our biggest asset.
So ComSource was able to connect a bunch of systems together, starting with our Cisco Unified Communications Manager, Cisco Unity Voicemail, Single Wire Informacast Fusion, Barracks Barrionets, and our Wasiga IP display speakers, and that ties into our security system. All the solutions being interconnected are critical to our security posture and our response to any sort of emergency.
So as far as IP speakers are concerned, a lot of districts want to put them into classrooms. They want to utilize them fully in the building, but it's not an inexpensive solution overall. We've learned over time to be able to do hybrid solutions where we utilize their existing analog infrastructure or whatever they currently have for a PA system and overlay on top of it the IP speakers. It could be as simple as, well, let's put a couple of large speakers in the gymnasium and auditoriums and cafeterias so that we get better notification to those students in large areas, to let's do a wing at a time of classrooms so we can spread the budget out over multiple years.
It's such a terrible topic to have to talk about, but when bad things happen in schools, every second counts. So if we are able to communicate very efficiently, we could literally be saving lives. Not all technologies talk to one another efficiently, and I think that this work allows the various systems to be more integrated. So we're not trying to do 5 things in order to complete the task, we're just trying to do one thing. That's been huge. Our community very much values timely communication. When things are happening, they're going to get timely updates from us. We have 4,800 children in our 7 buildings, and all of those children have families, and they put them on the bus in the morning. They want to know those kids are safe. It's a huge responsibility. As a parent myself, I know that we are being entrusted with other people's children, and that is no small responsibility.